Hi everyone and welcome back to .NET in Minutes. Today we are going to talk about our very first REST API in .NET from scratch. We'll create a simple product API where you can create, read, update and delete products. We'll use professional .NET practices, controllers, models and Swagger for testing. This tutorial is beginner friendly, so don't worry if you are new to .NET or APIs. Okay, so let's create a new project in Visual Studio. We have to choose ASP.NET Core Web API. Here is it. We have to rename this at Product API. Everything is alright here. The folder and everything. Here we have to be sure that we select .NET 8.0 because it's long-term support, and this will give us a nice interface to test our API without Postman. Okay, perfect. Here in the structure we have program.cs is where the application is configured. After that we have controllers. Controllers folder is where we put our API controllers. Right now it's created already a weather forecast controller, and we have to create a models folder. Right click, add new folder, name models. Is the folder for our data models. In professional APIs we keep the business logic separate from program.cs. This makes the code clean and maintainable. Now we have to create a new class named product in models folder. This will have public int id, public string name equal string.empty, and public decimal price. Let's see, Visual Studio is very intuitive. This is our product model. It has these three properties: ID, name and price. The ID will be generated automatically in memory. Name and price are the details of each product. Okay, now we have to create the controller, product controller. Okay, here we write controller base to inherit from this, and we have to delete that. We have to add API controller above the class name and a root API / controller. Okay, perfect. So private static read only list of product, name it products, equal new. Here is to create a new list. Okay, perfect. Now we have to create the CRUD functions, but first of all we have to add using product API.models control.onProduct, and we have the options. Perfect. Public action result enumerable, and we get from product we will write get all, the name of the method. Okay, will be a return okay products http get, because it's a get method. Okay, next one, HTTP get by ID. We have public action result product. Get product by ID. We have int parameter, int ID. Okay, and here we have var product equal products that first of default. Okay, and we have to map that p where p that id equal id, and we have a return product equal null not found. If is a null, okay, product. Perfect. The next one will be a HTTP post method. The create method, public action result product, and create product. With product as a parameter, product the class, and with p will have a product will be the name of the parameter. Okay, sorry, product that id equal products that count plus 1, because every time we need a new id and will be created automatically. Product that's add, and return created at action name of get product by id, new id equal product that id, and product. This will create a new a brand new product every time we make this on that endpoint. Okay, let's go to put, http put by id public action result product. The name will be update product with the two parameters, int id and product, updated product. Okay, if we press tab everything you see with gray will appear, like we already write that. Okay, var product equal products that first of default, p where p that id equal id. Okay, I'll show you the part with the tab. Perfect. If product equal null, return not found, product that name equal updated product that name, and product that price equal updated product that price, return okay product. And the last one, http delete by id, we have already here public action result delete product int id as a parameter, var product equal products that first of default. If product equal null not found, products that remove product, and return a content. No content is for delete method. It's a must. Okay, so this is our product controller. API controller root define that this is an API controller and set the URL path. Each method corresponds to an endpoint. HTTP get API product, list all products, get API products ID, get one product, post API product, create product, put API product ID, update product, and delete API product ID, delete product. Notice we use a static in-memory list to store products for simplicity. Okay, program.cs now only configures the app. Controllers hold the logic while program.cs sets up middleware and Swagger. It is a professional way to structure that net APIs with the controller, models, and program. We have here a app.map controllers, use Swagger and use Swagger UI to work the Swagger part and the controllers. Okay, now let's test what we did. Okay, we are here. We will try the get API product. We don't have anything. Okay, try it out here to create. Let's see. I think TV with price 1000. Execute, and ID1 TV is created. Let's have a laptop. Okay, price I think 2000. It's alright. 250. Okay, execute. Laptop and phone. Can we have here phone? Okay, 150. Perfect. We have 3 products. Let's see, execute all 3 here. Perfect. Get it work, post it work, get by ID. Let's see, let's find let's search for the ID, the one ID. Okay, execute 2 the and 3. Perfect, it's worked. 4 is not because didn't exist. Okay, let's take the let's see if the put work. We have to rename the ID1 active led and price to 50. It work. Try it out here. TV led, perfect. We change that product and delete the third one. Execute. Okay, 204 and 200. Okay, execute again, and it's here. Perfect. It worked very well. Every method and every endpoint work very well. Okay guys, some common issues. Endpoint return 404. Check root and parameters. The next one, JSON serialization, means .NET uses system.text.json by default. And the third one, for production, replacing memory storage with database. Now, we have a fully functional REST API in .NET using professional practices, controllers, models, and Swagger. You can create, edit, update, and delete products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the next tutorial. Bye guys.